Did you know that you can use hashtags on LinkedIn to tap into the hidden job market? Hey there, my name is Cindy Makita Dodd, career strategist and coach. And in today's video, I want to walk you through the exact hashtags that you can use on LinkedIn to not only tap into the hidden job market, but to also get more views to your profile. And of course, more views equals more opportunities. If you are ready, click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all things LinkedIn for job seekers, and let's get straight to it. So there are 3 ways that you can utilize hashtags as a job seeker on LinkedIn. The first is to find open positions that people post about in the LinkedIn feed. This is outside of the LinkedIn Jobs tab. The second, you can use hashtags to increase the views and visibility on your posts so that recruiters and hiring managers can find you. And third, you can use hashtags to obtain job search advice on the LinkedIn platform. I'm going to walk you through each 3 of these scenarios and tell you exactly which hashtags to use for each one. So the first is hashtags to find open positions that are not on the LinkedIn Jobs tab. Sometimes a recruiter or a hiring manager will go onto LinkedIn and make a post about an open position. That post can sometimes be linked directly to their website or on their job board and not necessarily be on the LinkedIn Jobs tab. So they will use certain hashtags or keywords in their posts to bring more visibility for job seekers like yourself. If you are aware of the specific hashtags that recruiters and employers use, you can search these hashtags on LinkedIn and tap into what I call the hidden job market. So you may not have necessarily been aware of these roles, but just by searching these specific and relevant hashtags, you can find out about these roles using this method. So here are the exact hashtags you can use to find open positions on LinkedIn. Now hiring, get hired, job opening, hiring, join our team, jobs, recruiting, and remote work. Another type of hashtag you can use to search for open jobs is by utilizing the specific job function or an industry-related keyword, as well as the word jobs. For example, I could type in hashtag marketing jobs, or hashtag accounting jobs, or hashtag finance jobs. When searching for these hashtags on LinkedIn, you can choose to follow the specific hashtag on LinkedIn, and that simply means that LinkedIn will show you posts that include that hashtag on your main feed. The second way you can utilize hashtags is by using hashtags in your posts so that you can be found by recruiters and employers. Whether you are sharing industry-specific knowledge, giving your opinion about a new trend that has launched in your industry, or even sharing an achievement or an accomplishment, you can utilize relevant hashtags in your posts to bring visibility to your posts and open you up to recruiters and employers as well. Some hashtags that you can consider using when you are posting on LinkedIn are job search, hire me, job seeker, hiring, recruitment, remote work, and open to work. And of course, the same rule applies here. You can also use industry-related keywords, but make sure that they are hyper relevant to your post. And the last way you can utilize hashtags on LinkedIn is to simply search for career and job seeker advice on the platform. There are certain hashtags that you can use on LinkedIn to obtain career advice from industry professionals and career coaches like myself who are posting regularly on the platform. You can use the following keywords and follow them so that your feed stays up to date with relevant career and job search advice that you can view directly on your LinkedIn profile. You can use the following hashtags to search for job seeker advice: hiring and promotion, get hired, job search tips, and job seeker. Remember, the simple way to search for hashtags on the platform is simply by typing in the pound symbol in your LinkedIn search bar and then the relevant keyword or hashtag that you want to search for. I really do hope that you found these tips useful on how to use hashtags on LinkedIn to tap into the hidden job market, but also bring more eyeballs to your profile. If you want additional help on how to get started on LinkedIn as a job seeker and career professional, I want you to download my free LinkedIn for Job Seekers Starter Kit. I lay out over 10 pages on how to get started on the LinkedIn platform, but even more than that, create a profile that is highly searchable by recruiters and employers, and that is going to help you land your next best opportunity. So download your free LinkedIn for Job Seekers Starter Kit right at the end of this video by clicking the link in the description. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these on how to utilize LinkedIn to land your next job, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.